What's up, everybody? Today we're taking a closer look at the newest cruiser models and what makes them stand out. From sleek design choices to customized performance features, there's a lot to get excited about. Let's dive right in and look at the core of these amazing machines. While all of our cruisers are equipped with the Milwaukee 8 117 powertrains, there are three distinct variations throughout the lineup: Classic, Custom, and High Output, each custom tuned with the rider in mind. The Heritage Classic and the Street Bob come equipped with the Milwaukee 8 117 Classic, adorning a distinctive Harley-Davidson round air cleaner. It delivers 98 horsepower and 120 foot-pounds of torque. Next up, the Fat Boy and Breakout are powered by the Milwaukee 8 117 Custom, recognized by the sleek wedge-shaped air cleaner, delivering 104 horsepower and a monstrous 126 foot-pounds of torque. Lastly, when you demand performance, the Milwaukee 8 117 High Output is there to answer the call. Muscling its way into the Lowrider S and ST, this version wears the distinct heavy breather air cleaner and means business, putting down an immense 114 horsepower and 128 foot-pounds of torque. This hog will eat. Ride modes are available on all cruiser models and allow you to customize your riding experience with just the flick of a switch. Whether you prefer a smooth, relaxed ride or an aggressive, sporty feel, there's a mode for you. Choose from road, sport, or rain to match your mood and road conditions. Road mode offers a balanced and comfortable ride. Sport mode unleashes the full potential of the engine for a thrilling experience. And rain mode provides extra traction and control in wet conditions. Harley-Davidson's rider safety enhancements come standard and are designed to keep you in control. It's like cornering ABS, cornering traction control, and straight line and cornering drag torque slip control ensure that you have the confidence to tackle any road at any time. Cornering ABS adjusts the braking force based on your lean angle, providing optimal braking performance even in tight corners. Traction control prevents wheel spin during acceleration, and drag torque slip control is designed to reduce excessive rear wheel slip and help prevent rear wheel lock under powertrain-induced deceleration. These enhancements work seamlessly in the background so you can focus on enjoying the ride. The suspension for each cruiser model has been carefully calibrated to provide the optimal performance. The adjustable rear monoshock allows you to fine-tune your riding experience even further, whether you're riding solo or with a passenger. The front suspension features advanced damping technology, ensuring that you glide over bumps and rough roads with ease. Whether you're on a long highway journey or navigating city streets, the suspension system ensures a comfortable and controlled ride. The cruiser models are equipped with advanced LED lighting that enhances your visibility and gives your bike a modern and sleek look. New for 2026, daytime running lights have been added to the turn signals. From the headlamp to the tail lights, the LED lighting ensures that you can see and be seen, no matter the time of day. The Daymaker LED headlamp produces a powerful focus beam, making nighttime rides more enjoyable. But let's not forget about the hand controls. The ergonomic design makes the hand controls easy to reach and operate. The intuitive layout allows you to access all essential functions without taking your eyes off the road. The front brake lever is adjustable to the rider's preferred lever distance. Riders with a smaller reach will appreciate the ability to tailor the perfect fit, and technical riders will appreciate the ability to fine-tune adjustments to match their riding style. In today's connected world, staying charged is essential. That's why the cruiser models come with a USB-C charging port. Whether you need to charge your phone or any other device, the USB-C port has you covered. Stay connected and powered up on the go with a conveniently located port at the front left of the motorcycle, making it easy to plug in your devices. Last but not least, let's check out the instrument display. The display provides all the information you need at a glance. From speed and RPM to fuel level and ride mode, the instrument display keeps you informed. And there you have it, the 26 cruisers, all designed to give you the ultimate riding experience. So gear up, hit the road, and enjoy the ride.